So we are going to see how to make a papaya leaves concoction. Okay, first take 250 to 300 ml of water. Okay, in a vessel, and then close the lid. Close the top using lid. Okay, then switch on the stove. Let it boil for a while. Okay, when the water is warm enough, then you have to add papaya leaves. Okay, I will show you once the water gets boiled up. Yes, the water got boiled up now. Okay, let's remove and see. Fine. Now we have to place two leaves of this size. Okay, that means that is only one tenth of the leaf maybe. Okay, so this much is enough, sufficient. Okay, to make concoction. Let's close the vessel. Okay, and then you have to boil it for again 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame. Okay. Okay, now it got boiled up. Okay, you have to close the lid and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, once it got boiled up, then you can have concoction. And one more important thing is some people may not like the taste of the papaya leaves concoction. For them I suggest to add some palm jaggery in it. Okay, to have a better taste. Not for the diabetic people or anyone who do not have diabetes, they can have palm jaggery. Okay. Yes, 4 minutes is over. Now I'm what I'm doing is I have to filter out, right? I will be filtering out the content. Okay, let's filter that one out. Okay, using a filter. Fine, like this you have to filter out the contents. Okay, in every concoction you will be reminded with the boiled leaves that you can omit, that means that you can place in the dustbin. Okay, that is of no use, right? So that's it. See the color. Yeah, some people may not like, so for them I am telling to add palm jaggery if they are not diabetic. Okay, and drink it sip by sip. Okay, take a spoon, drink it slowly, sip by sip. Okay, we are going to discuss about the papaya leaves concoction and its benefits. Okay, the benefits of papaya leaves concoction and who should avoid. Okay, right. It has very good medicinal properties. Okay, it acts like a medicine. Okay, so it purifies the blood and boosts your immune system. Since it is acting like a medicine, you shouldn't consume it on a regular basis. Okay, if you consume papaya leaves concoction for 1 week, you should give at least 1 week gap. Okay, when the platelets reduce due to dengue fever, this concoction helps in increasing the platelet count. Okay, it helps in controlling the blood sugar level also. It helps in reducing the infections at liver, digestive tract and blood. Okay, liver infection, digestive tract infections, blood infections. Okay, it helps in recovering from constipation also. Whom should avoid? It is not advisable for pregnant ladies to consume papaya in any form. Okay, in fruit form or concoction form, in any form you should avoid when if you are pregnant. Okay, see how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.